Hello and welcome to another virtual home staging project. First of all, I would like to thank to all my friends who sent me all kind of nice messages in my last video of 5 tips. And special thanks to Javier from the company Avistadron, who is a very beautiful person, and I would like to give him a very special thanks in this video. So thank you very much, Javier, for your words. Okay, so let's begin with this new project, which I selected again from the same page that last time. But this time we will travel virtually to Málaga in the south of Spain. This property is 90-meter square apartment. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's located in the downtown of the city and very close to the port and to the beach. This time I will be doing the staging of the living room, the bedroom, and the kids' room. The living room already has a very beautiful marble tile flooring, but I feel like the focal point right now is the dark frame of the window. So what I did this time is that I tried to integrate this black color of the window into the whole decoration. So before starting any kind of project, I like to do the mood board to see how all these elements combine together. I wanted to create a very airy and light space, so I divided it into the sitting area and the dining area. And the wooden rack will help us to separate these 2 spaces. In the sitting area, I incorporate a simple and very modern couch. And to add some interest, I use different neutral tones in the pillows. The 2 pieces coffee table, which is made of 2 different texture, glass and fabric. It has a round shape, which create a very welcoming place and brings balance between all the furniture. Moving to the dining area, located close to the window, it has again a round table with 1 heavy leg and surrounded by white cozy and kind of classic chairs. There is not a lot of room for the furniture, so the unique object that I put close to the dining area is that wooden sculpture, which fills in a very minimalistic way the plain wall. I didn't do a rug because there is already a rug in the sitting area, so I didn't feel like it really needed. Instead, I focused more on the lighting and I hung this black and gold big chandelier. Above the couch, I set up the 6 big frames and I chose this instead a real painting because of the glass. My purpose was that it can reflect a little bit the light. In the bedroom, the mood board color palette is a little bit more warmer. So to level up this master bedroom, I decided this custom headboard, up to the ceiling, which dry your eyes up. With the bedding, I did this black and white crispy combination. I placed a simple and modern nightstand in white color and golden round knob in the middle. On top of that, I set a lamp with black and gold accent color. Just behind the nightstands, I incorporate these 2 mirrors on both sides of the bed. It reflects the light and brings depth when you look into the room. And moving to the foot of the bed, I incorporate this wooden rug in grey tone. To finish off the space, I found this really cool chandelier with these curves, and I feel it's dressy and chic at the same time. The kids' room has already a lot of natural light because it's just next to the patio and has very fresh white walls. So I designed this large one-piece wooden headboard which allows me to incorporate 3 nightstands. To add extra coziness to this room, I incorporate 3 large pillows in pale tones and 3 small rugs in white color. One is in the middle of the bed and 2 are in both sides. For the art moment into this kids area, I found these 2 pieces abstract art, which reminds me pretty much of watercolor, so I think it looks pretty perfect in this space. I hung the lamps from the ceiling because I think it's more secure in this kids area, and I feel like the texture of the nightstand it's most exposed and more clean. The detail of the toy in the middle of the beds, it's just for adding some child vibes, but if you would like to remove it, it will just look like a guest room. I really hope you enjoy watching this kind of project. This is actually a pretty random one, but if you need some help with your space, I can help you with it. Just send me some measurements, some pictures, and tell me about the style that you would like to achieve. So the next video can be your personal project. If you are not really sure how to draw your plans for the measurement, just watch this example that I did in the previous video also. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!